All right, good morning. This is the tour of our science lab. This hopefully will be a more in-depth look at what our lab facility offers. I do beg your forgiveness. I am not a science person myself, so I will be unable to name much of what we are going to see, but all of our documentation will be uploaded as well. And I will be taking photos of most of these things taking place in this video as well. So as you can see, this is our science lab, and it is front and center on the secondary floor. So it is this whole room here at the end. So as we enter, we have the lab safety rules. It is posted throughout this room, and it is also posted. It's also stapled in each student's notebooks as well. So that is there. That is front and center. We also have our sink to kick things off. We do have a power kill switch right inside the door here. So here are a few of our display boards. Okay, here's our lab space. Actually, I'm going to go relatively quickly to show you the space, first of all, so that you get a general view of what the lab looks like and how it feels, and then I will go a little bit slower on the second. My autofocus is killing me here, sorry. Okay, so our lab consists of this block here. Then we do have our emergency shower and face washer here. This entire wall is glass windows for ventilation purposes, so this whole wall can really open up and get a good view outside. So that is for ventilation purposes. And then here we do have our ventilation fan that was up to Cambridge standards for Cambridge A-level laboratory. All right, so we have all of these workstations. Then we have all of these independent and group workstations on the other side of the lab space proper. We do have the smart board, we do have the whiteboard, so we have plenty of space here for students to do their own independent work. And the ICT lab is just next door, and so if students need computers for whichever lab work they're working on, they can go check them out from there. All of our senior students, our year 10, 11 students, bring their devices every day. The year 9s have the option to bring devices if and when their teachers require them to do so. So here is one of our resource closets. There are no chemicals here. This is a lot of the physics materials that we're working with. We also have the scales, the balance. We have the microscopes. There we have fire blankets. We also have the goggles, the safety equipment here as well. We have enough goggles for all of our students for any time they are conducting any experiments in the lab. So again, no chemicals here, but it is a resource locker that is kept locked. So again, there is our fan, our ventilator.